I just finished this vintage. This was made in 1968 Reuge singing birdcage. Amazing cosmetic condition. I just fully serviced the mechanism, so it's also in excellent mechanical condition as well. Let's hear it play, starting off with the pause feature. The pause feature is the #1 indicator on the quality and integrity of the movement and the bellows. Nice long pause. We'll move to continuous. Exceptionally sweet song. The bird animates exactly as she should, yet the mechanism runs smoothly and quietly. Very pretty bird. We'll go ahead and turn it off. Bear with me here. That's just the air escaping through the whistle. So in summary, a vintage 1968 Reuge singing birdcage in excellent cosmetic and mechanical condition. Take care.